Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your products to a collection in Shopify. So let's begin. First, you're going to find yourself on a Shopify homepage. Right here, you want to navigate to the left and go to Products tab. First, you want to make sure that you have your product selected, which you're going to be adding to a collection. Then navigate to Collections and click this tab. So as you can see, the only collection I have is a homepage collection. So let's say, for example, that I would like to add a new collection and we're just going to call it Collars. So I'm just going to actually name it dog collars. So dog collars. So here in the collection page, you will have two options. So you can either do a manual collection where you will manually add each product to this collection, or you can do an automated collection where you can have a condition which Shopify will then add each product that meets this condition into this collection. So let's say, for example, that your product title contains the word collar. Right? So every time you add a product to your Shopify store with the word collar in its title, Shopify is then going to be automatically adding this product to your dog collars collection. Okay? So let's just say that I'm going to put this condition here and then I'm just going to click save. So once I save this, I can go back to my products and I can click on my dog collar. Now, this product now must be added to the dog collars collection. And as you can see, this is exactly what happened. You can see that it added this product to the dog collar and it's right here. However, if you don't want Shopify to add products automatically to a collection, you can just navigate to collections, create a new collection. We're going to call it Dog Collars Volume 2.0, and we're going to choose manual just for this example. So I'm going to show you how to actually now add a product manually to a collection. Click back to products. Let's go to our product here. We're going to now select the collection here. We're going to click collections and we're going to choose dog collar V2. So you can see now we added this product manually to our dog collar V2 collection. Simply click save. And this is how you add products to a collection in your Shopify store. If this video was helpful, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.